Hi and welcome along. In today's video I'm going to be taking you through an absolute banger, a number one from 1965 for my favourite band, the Rolling Stones. Here's a thing known as The Last Time. So if that's what you're up for, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, so The Last Time, let's get straight into it. So first off, we've got that killer riff, the one that goes... Show you how to play that. So first off, third finger on the 7th fret of the D string, the 4th string, the D string. We're going to slide up, and then once we've slid up from the 7th to the 9th fret on the D string, with our first finger, it hovers nicely over the 7th fret of the G string. So we're going to do this. So it's going to sound like this. First step. And then what we're going to do, we're going to play between the 9th fret of the D string and the G string. And it's going to go like this. Okay, so we've got, okay, all together. Okay, and then what we're going to place our first finger over the 7th fret of the D string and the G string. And what we're going to do, so with them two held down, we're going to hammer on from the 7th fret to the 9th fret of the D string between our first and third fingers. And what we're going to do, we're going to hammer down and then up pick on the G string. So it's going to sound like this. Got it? And then the next step after that is same again, but instead of picking the 7th fret on the G string, we're going to bring that back to the 6th fret of the G string. So it alternates. It does the 7th fret of the G string first, and then the next time round it does the 6th fret of the G string. So we've got it? And then the whole riff again. So okay, and that is the riff that runs through. Now in this video I'm going to show you both parts, what the rhythm player is doing. I think it might be Brian Jones doing this. Could be wrong. I'm sure you'll tell me all about it in the comments. But the key, the song is in the key of, we'll go through the chords first. The song is in the key of E. It's in E. So what we've got, the strum pattern I want you to do for me, we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. E, D, A, E, D, A. That's for the verse. Literally, that runs through the whole of the verses. So E, D, A, E, D, A. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Let me take you through that slowly. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So. So that was the rhythm guitar part. Now I'm going to move you on to what the other guitar player's doing. Not sure whether it's Keith or Brian, but we'll get on with it. So what it is so the rhythm guitar player was all down here, first position stuff. The lead player is going to be doing some of this. So what we've got on the 7th fret, while all the other stuff's going on, what I've just shown you, we're going to be going. And what we're doing, we're up on the 7th fret, we're barring all 6 strings on the 7th fret, and with our third finger, we're going to be holding down strings 4, 3, 2, 1 in a line. I'll hold it up to the camera. That's going to give you your E chord. You can do it with a little finger and then hold it down with your third finger, or if you're strong enough with your little finger, do that. But the way I do it like that. So we get the the E chord there. Then we're going to bring it down to bring our first finger down, the whole group, down to the 5th fret, so that your first finger's in the 5th fret and your third finger is now in the 7th fret, holding down the same strings 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's going to give you your D chord, and then we're going to have an A chord, bar chord on the 5th fret like that. There we go. I'll show you the screen. So recap, we're up on the 7th to get our E, we bring it down to the 5th fret to get our A, and then we get our A chord like that also on the 5th fret. Right, so same strum pattern. It's going to go E, D, A, E, D, A. Chorus. What goes on in the chorus up here? We do the A, but what we do, we're in that position, the A position. We're going to pick strings 4, so 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's 4, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that's what's going on. So for the chorus, this could be the last time that bit. And then we're going to be up to the same shape. We're going to move that all the way up to the 10th fret to get our D chord. And we're going to go same pick pattern. And then back to the A on the 5th fret. And then we're back to it. Right, so the guitar solo. You didn't think I was going to show you, but I'm going to show you. So what happens is the guitar solo goes like this. It's pretty much the same, but what we're going to do, we're going to go real high up. Now we're going to be on the 12th fret, and we're going to go 12, 10, 5. So 12th fret, 10th fret, 5th fret. There's our E, there's our D, there's our A. So we got, and then we're going to go. So how do we do that? So we slide up from the on the D string with our third finger. We slide up from the 5th fret up to the 9th. So let's get you right on the screen. So we go. So we're going to slide up. And then we're going to be first finger on the 7th fret of the G string. And then we're going to pull our third finger down from the 9th fret to the 7th. So we get the note first and then we pull it. Sorry. So we got, and then we're going to be 5th fret of the D string. And then we're going to be 7th fret of the A string. Yeah, so we've got. Sorry, come on. And then we've got 12, 10, 5, and then we're going to be up on the 12th fret and go, which is 14th fret. I'd have a little count up there, guys, so bear with me. 14th fret of the D string, then the 12th fret of the G string, then the 14th 14th fret of the G string. So we've got 14th fret of the G string. So we've got 14th fret D string, 12th fret G string, 14th fret G string, we're going to bend up twice, strike it and then pull it down, and then back on the 12th fret of the G string, and then return back to the 14th fret of the D string. So we got, it's from the top, so we got then 12th fret, 10, 5, 12, back to the first striff, and then we've got, and then that's this whole solo. So we've got 12, 13, 14, 15th fret of the E string, bent up, then the 12th fret of the E string, so we've got, then we've got the 14th fret of the G string, so we've got, then back to the 12th fret of the G string. So we'll do that again for you. 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th fret of the E string. We're going to strike it and bend up to the 12th fret of the E string. We'll do that slowly. Then we're going to bend up the 14th fret of the G string. Then strike it when it's down. And then finish up on the 12th fret of the G string. One more time for ya. So all together then. And that is how you play The Last Time. So there we have it, the Rolling Stones, The Last Time. How did you get on with this one? Let me know down in the comments section below, along with any suggestions for any songs you'd like me to take to pieces and bring to you in another video. Always gratefully received. Thank you very much to those of you that have liked and subscribed for me. It always helps. It's helped me grow the channel and bring you more guitar-based tutorials. And that's all we have for today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.